Hello guys, today I'm going to show you the Lee jeans. You know, Lee is the top brand worldwide. Yeah, it is the American famous brand also. So we have a good collection for Lee jeans all the time. We can provide a lot of jeans stock from Bangladesh around the year. You can send us inquiry for the Lee jeans. We will give you the good feedback. You can see good colors, good washes of the Lee jeans. We have a variety collection with nice wash. You can see there's the Lee. Nice stuff. You can see the Lee. So if you have any inquiry, please send us. We have a good collection for Lee jeans and we can provide you from Bangladesh. Thank you.